In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open WhatsApp in Google Chrome, chat and share directly from computer vertical bar TextSayer. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet and that your phone also has an active internet connection, because WhatsApp Web needs your phone to stay linked while you use it on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the official WhatsApp Web website by typing web.whatsapp.com into the address bar, and then press enter. After the page loads, you will see a QR code displayed on the screen. This QR code is what you will use to connect your WhatsApp account from your phone to your computer safely and quickly. Now pick up your phone and open WhatsApp. Inside the app, go to the option that lets you link a device. On most phones, you can find this in the menu or settings area under Link Devices. Tap the option to link a new device. Your phone camera will open so that you can scan the QR code shown in Google Chrome. Hold your phone steadily in front of the computer screen and scan the code. In a moment, WhatsApp will log in on your computer automatically. After it connects, your chats will appear in the browser, and you can start reading messages, replying to people, and sharing files directly from your computer. That covers everything you need to know.